When it comes to vibrant yellow hues, nothing quite compares to the vivid yellow of turmeric. This spice, deeply rooted in ancient Eastern cuisine, as well as in various medical, religious, and social traditions, stands out not only for its vibrant color but also for its remarkable health benefits. While turmeric is commonly found in dishes such as curries, its potential extends far beyond its culinary uses. By simply adding a splash of turmeric to water, you can create a beverage that can work wonders for your overall well-being. So, sit back, relax, and allow us to introduce you to the 9 amazing health benefits that come with drinking turmeric water. Now, you may be wondering, does turmeric really have the power to boost our immunity and keep us healthy? Let's delve into the matter and find out. Turmeric has long been associated with therapeutic properties, and this belief is backed by scientific research. One of the key components of turmeric, curcuminoids, is well known for its wide range of medicinal uses, including antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, Ayurvedic medicine has employed turmeric as a treatment for various ailments such as allergies, joint pain, and skin conditions. When it comes to detoxification, turmeric water is particularly beneficial. It acts as a natural detoxifier, eliminating toxins from the body and promoting its renewal. Furthermore, turmeric water serves as an excellent dietary supplement, thanks to its abundance of antioxidants, antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and anti-carcinogenic properties. Additionally, it boasts high levels of vitamin C, E, and K, as well as dietary fiber, protein, calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, and zinc. By incorporating the habit of drinking turmeric water into your daily routine, you can reap numerous rewards. For instance, it can help strengthen your immune system by leveraging the power of curcumin, an herb found in turmeric, which aids in defending against free radical damage and bolstering immunity. Moreover, turmeric contains lipopolysaccharide, a substance renowned for its antiviral and antibacterial properties, which further contributes to immune support. Additionally, turmeric water can alleviate pain and inflammation. Throughout the Indian subcontinent, it is a common practice to combine a small amount of turmeric with milk or water to relieve joint pain and reduce the risk of infections and flu. The anti-inflammatory effects of turmeric also make it an effective remedy for minor inflammation and arthritic pain. When it comes to enhancing skin health, turmeric water proves to be a valuable ally. Throughout history, various skin and beauty rituals have incorporated the use of turmeric due to its beneficial properties. The antioxidants found in turmeric play a crucial role in limiting the activity of free radicals, which are responsible for accelerating skin aging. By consuming turmeric water daily, you may notice improvements in the appearance of your skin, as it can contribute to a more youthful, healthy, and radiant complexion. Not only does turmeric water have positive effects on the skin, but it also offers benefits for digestion and weight loss. A healthy metabolism is essential for long-term weight management, and achieving good digestion is key to maintaining such a metabolism. Turmeric contains certain chemicals that stimulate the gallbladder to produce more bile, thereby improving the digestive system and alleviating symptoms of gas and bloating. By incorporating turmeric water into your routine, you can support a healthy digestion process and potentially aid in weight loss efforts. In addition to its impact on digestion and weight management, turmeric water can also contribute to maintaining a healthy liver. Turmeric accelerates the production of essential enzymes that help eliminate toxins from the blood before they reach the liver. For individuals who take potent medications for conditions such as diabetes or other illnesses that may potentially harm the liver with prolonged use, incorporating turmeric water into their routine could offer long-term benefits for liver health. Furthermore, turmeric water has the potential to safeguard against heart disorders. Elevated levels of cholesterol often contribute to heart problems, and turmeric can play a role in addressing this issue. By improving the lining of blood vessels and utilizing the curcumin present in turmeric, it is possible to lower cholesterol levels and prevent blood clotting, similar to the effects of aspirin but without the associated risks. Additionally, turmeric aids in controlling blood coagulation and regulating blood pressure, further promoting heart health. The potential of turmeric water in the treatment of cancer is an intriguing aspect worth exploring. Thanks to its powerful antioxidant properties, there is a possibility that turmeric water could play a role in preventing illnesses like cancer by managing oxidative stress within the body. Research indicates that one of the key compounds in turmeric, curcumin, has the ability to kill cancer cells through various mechanisms and inhibit the formation of new blood vessels in tumors, thus slowing their growth. Furthermore, turmeric water has shown promise in the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, possesses anti-inflammatory properties and can counteract oxidative damage associated with Alzheimer's disease. Studies have demonstrated that curcumin effectively maintains the healthy structure and function of cerebral vessels, mitochondria, and synapses, thereby reducing the risk factors for various chronic diseases, including Alzheimer's. Consequently, turmeric water could potentially aid in preventing and treating Alzheimer's disease. In addition to its potential effects on cancer and Alzheimer's disease, turmeric water has also been associated with enhancing memory and treating depression. Depression often leads to a decrease in the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factors, BDNF, which are proteins crucial for learning and memory. This can result in the shrinking of the hippocampus, a brain region primarily responsible for memory. However, studies have shown that curcumin can elevate BDNF levels and potentially reverse these changes, thereby improving memory and potentially alleviating symptoms of depression. Now, you may be wondering about the preparation of turmeric water. It's relatively simple. Start by boiling a cup of water in a pot. In a separate cup, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Once the water has boiled, pour it into the cup with the turmeric mixture. It's important to note that the body's absorption of turmeric is enhanced when combined with a pinch of pepper. If desired, you can add some honey to sweeten the beverage. Give it a good swirl, and enjoy it warm. Considering the numerous health benefits associated with turmeric water, it is recommended to incorporate it into your daily routine. Drinking turmeric water every day, preferably before breakfast or right before bed, has been found to contribute to overall wellness and potentially provide a range of health advantages. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the incredible benefits of turmeric water. We've delved into the numerous ways this golden elixir can positively impact your health and well-being. From its vibrant yellow hue to its remarkable medicinal properties, turmeric water has proven itself to be a powerhouse of goodness. Let's recap the incredible benefits we've explored together today. Turmeric water serves as a potent immune booster, thanks to its curcumin content that defends against free radicals and strengthens our body's defenses. Its detoxifying properties help eliminate toxins and promote rejuvenation. By incorporating turmeric water into your daily routine, you can support healthy digestion and potentially reduce the risk of chronic diseases. But the benefits don't stop there. Turmeric water has also shown promise in improving skin health, giving you a youthful and radiant complexion. It has the potential to aid in the treatment of Alzheimer's disease, offering hope for those affected by this debilitating condition. Furthermore, turmeric water has been linked to enhanced memory, the treatment of depression, and even the potential to assist in the prevention and management of cancer. Thank you for joining us today as we uncovered the amazing benefits of turmeric water. If you found this information valuable, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update on the latest health and wellness insights.